Hey, welcome back everyone to another great episode of Sell Those Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we were sent some product by Super Clean, so we are going to test this cleaning product to the max on the Volkswagen's engine bay and the filthy rims to see how truly powerful this product really is. Let's jump in it. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into the ultimate cleaning showdown with Super Clean. We'll be tackling this filthy engine bay and these dirty rims to see just how powerful this product really is. And the best part, we're giving away some awesome Super Clean goodies: a degreaser, a hat, a shirt, and some wheel cleaner. So stick around for all the details on how to enter, and let's get started. Super Clean is one of the top degreasers out there. It's designed to cut through the grease and grime on just about anything. Your engine, rims, tools, you name it. And check this out. This sleek hat and shirt are part of the giveaway, so you can look cool while keeping things clean. But first, let's see what this product can really do. Alright, let's start with the engine bay. This thing hasn't been cleaned in ages. We've got layers of grime, grease, and who knows what else. Time for Super Clean to shine. First, we'll cover any sensitive components like the battery or alternator with plastic bags to avoid water damage. Safety first, right? Next, spray a generous amount of Super Clean directly onto the greasy areas. Let it sit for, a couple minutes to really break down that grime. Next, for tougher spots, use a soft bristle brush to agitate the product. You'll see the grease practically melt away. Finally, you want to wipe it off. Now, if it's a sensitive area like this, I'm going to wipe it off. You can rinse some of your engine off. Just watch it around your electrical components. Look at that. That's like a brand new engine. And the results speak for themselves. Super Clean handled ages of grime in just minutes, getting my engine looking spick and span in seconds. Next up, these rims. They're so caked in brake dust and dirt. I can barely tell what color they're supposed to be. Let's fix that. Just like the engine, spray Super Clean directly onto the rims. Make sure to hit all the nooks and crannies. Now grab a brush and start scrubbing. Don't be shy. Super Clean is doing most of the hard work for you. Rinse it off with water, then use a microfiber cloth to dry the rims for that perfect shine. Next up, this boat floor. This white floor always gets caked with dirt and grime from our shoes. Let's fix that. Just like the engine and the rims, spray Super Clean directly onto the boat floor surface. Make sure to hit everything you want to clean. Now grab a brush and start scrubbing. Don't be shy. Super Clean, again, is doing all the hard work for you. Rinse it all off with water, then use a mop to dry the surface for that perfect shine. From dull and dirty to sparkling clean, this boat is ready to cruise. A quick tip for best results: always work in a shaded area to prevent the product from drying out too fast. And remember, Super Clean isn't just for cars. You can use it on your tools, grills, even around the house. Now for the exciting part. Here's how you can win your very own Super Clean kit, hat, and shirt. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below sharing what you would clean first with Super Clean. We will announce the winner in 2 weeks on January 3rd, so don't miss your chance. Super Clean made a huge difference today, and it can be the same for you. Don't forget to enter the giveaway and hit that subscribe button for more epic cleaning challenges. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it fun, everyone. Thanks for watching.